Good business practices for affiliate marketers to follow. You can find a lot of products online, from HD TVs to ebooks on Spanish recipes and everything in between. Marketing these products to people from the companies that make them is a great way to earn a good living. Being an affiliate marketer is a popular career in high demand, and we will discuss some ways you can market products in this video. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. If it seems that you are drawing in a substantial number of customers, you may be able to negotiate higher commissions. If you are a star performer and convert lots of customers, the company may be very willing to pay you more to keep you happy. Affiliate marketing begins with talking to a company that has products that you want to promote for a percentage of the sale. On most company sites you will find that there is an affiliate link that will allow you to ask for permission to advertise for them. Since most companies do not have the time to properly talk about each of their products, they are usually very happy to pay a small percentage for the extra sales. Do not go crazy with social media updates and internet searching if you want to remain productive in affiliate marketing. Checking your email multiple times per day or changing your Facebook status is great to do in your downtime, but remember that becoming a successful affiliate is not downtime. Keep your mind on task. For affiliate marketers dealing with emails, it is important that you maintain a publishing schedule for your mails. You will need to do this for autoresponders and for broadcast messages. Also be sure to keep track of your clicks, earnings per mail, and other vital information to tell you if your campaign is working. Affiliate networks, also known as affiliate brokers, can be useful for connecting webmasters to good advertisers. Smart webmasters work with reputable networks. Running an affiliate network is a business, like any other, and there are professional accreditations and organizations for brokers. Working for established networks with good standing in their industry to avoid scam artists. The best affiliate marketers are those who are aware of their constituencies. Understanding their wants and needs is a smart marketing move. By analyzing what your visitors are looking for, you can better provide it. Which products, videos or other content are they viewing? With the vast array of products to choose from online, it's easy to get your foot in the marketing door, but stepping all the way through is another matter entirely. In this video, you learn some ways in which to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to use these tips on your path to success and to always work to improve your web presence. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.